Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to review our long vowels and our short vowels. So we're going to start here at A. You're going to repeat after me. A, apple, A. Good. Or A, safe, A. Good. E, ed, E. E, Pete, E. I, itch, I. I, pine, I. O, octopus, ah. O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U. U, rule, oo. Good. All right, and today we're still working on our magic E syllable words, so our vowel consonant E. Let's take a look at some of the words that I have made for us, okay? We're going to start sorting them into closed syllable or vowel consonant E syllable, okay? So we have words down here that we're going to tap out together and we're going to work through to see where we should sort them in which column, okay? So let's tap this one first. Okay, let me get ready. S, O, I, see that E at the end? I'm, and we don't tap the E because it's silent. So let's mark this, okay? What kind of vowel is this? Is this a long or short I? It's a long I, so we need our macron. Okay, so we'll put our macron right up top there. And we also need to cross out this E because that's magic E. It's that silent E. We don't tap it. So what are we going to scoop this syllable as? Is it going to be closed syllable or vowel consonant E? It's a vowel consonant E, so I need to add my letters down here and then we can move all of our work into that column. And let's bring this on up to the vowel consonant E column. Okay, now let's take another look. Let's look at this word right here. Let's tap it together. O, ash. Flashing. Notice that I brought it back with my ending, my suffix. Okay, so now I need to think about this vowel. Is it long or short? O, ah. It's a short vowel. So I need my brev. Okay. And since it's a short vowel, is it closed in by one or more consonants? Yes. So we're going to scoop the base. And what type of lettering should I put underneath this? A C for closed syllable. Okay. And now we can take all of our hard work and move it into the closed syllable column. Okay, our brev never made it with us, so let's bring our brev up there. There we go. All right, two more. Let's look at this one. P, F. Remember, this is our bonus letter, so we don't tap that. Puffs. All right, what type of vowel do we have? Is it a short or long vowel? P, U up, so we have a short vowel. Is it closed in by one or more consonants? Yes. So this is a closed syllable. So we're going to write a C. And let's take all our hard work and put it in the closed syllable column. Okay, and the last one, let's tap it out. Own. Throne. Okay, what kind of vowel is this? It's a long vowel, so we need our macron. Okay, because there is a silent E, so I'm going to cross our silent E out. I need to scoop it so that it's our vowel consonant E. Okay, and we'll take all of our hard work and move it up to the vowel consonant E syllable column. Okay, so we really have to pay attention if there's that silent E at the end of the base word. Okay, we haven't started talking about adding bases to silent E letters, silent vowel consonant E syllables, but we will start talking about that soon. So make sure you're looking at the end of the base word. Okay? All right, so let's practice a few today. All right, so I'm going to make some, and I want you to tap them out to try to figure out my word before I tell you my word. Okay? So here, watch when I make this word. You should be tapping it out as I'm bringing down my letters. All right. Let's see. Now you have all the information. Okay? Make sure you pay attention to this before we start tapping together. Ready? Fire. My word is fire. Now the I, is it long or short? Does it need a macron or a brev? It's long I, so it needs a macron. Okay, we need to cross out our, we have to cross out our silent E, and we're going to scoop it because this is a vowel consonant E syllable. Okay, one more time. Fire. Fire. Good. Let me clear our board. So I have a new word up here. I want you to try tapping it out. All right, now let's try tapping it together. Ready? Ale. Whale. Okay, the A says its name. It says A because this magic E jumps over top of that consonant to make the A say its name. So we need a macron to mark our long vowel. We need to cross out silent E because silent E did its job. And now we need to scoop it with a vowel consonant E syllable. Vowel consonant E. Okay, V-E. Whale. All right, we're going to clear our board, and I'm going to give you one more word to try. So our last word that we're going to practice is quake. You say it. Good, let's tap it. Quake. All right, let's try making this word. Qu is our first sound. So it's that QU sound that we haven't used in a while. Okay? QU. Qu A. What letter says A? A. So let's bring down A. Qu Ache. Okay. And what made that A say the long vowel sound? Magic E, that silent E. So let's go ahead and bring down our E. And we made the word quake. Let's tap it one more time. Quake. All right, let's mark it. So we know that vowel is a long vowel, so we're going to put our macron over top. We have to cross out that E so we don't tap it. and then we scoop it because it is a vowel consonant E. So vowel consonant E. And there we have it. All right, boys and girls, we have one last thing to do, and that is our trick words, okay? We have 2 new trick words today. So our first trick word sentence is, none of the kids are here yet. You say it. Good. So I'm going to pull down our boxes. None of the kids are here and yet. And we can't forget our punctuation. Okay, now let's fill in our sentence. None of I'm sorry, it was the. None of the kids are here yet. And we'll put our period. Here's your first trick word. What do we think it is? None. Let's arm spell it. Everyone get your arms ready. Ready? None. N-O-N-E. None. That's right. It's a trick word because it doesn't look like how it sounds. Okay? None sounds like N-U-N. It's N-O-N-E. Okay? Now I'm going to clear our board and we have one more sentence to do. Last sentence is, there is nothing in this box. You say it. Good. Let's build it. There is nothing in this box. And we need our punctuation mark. Okay, and let's fill it in. There is nothing in this box. And we need a period for our punctuation. Okay, our next trick word is nothing. Okay, this is a long one, so make sure you're paying attention. Look at the word while we arm spell. Ready? Get your arms ready. Say nothing. N-O-T-H-I-N-G, nothing. Okay? The word nothing, I see thing inside, and we can tap out thing, but the beginning does not sound the same as what it would look. Okay? This says no thing. So nothing is the actual word. Okay? So we have none and nothing. Okay? Make sure that you check out Miss Elias's dictation tomorrow. And she also has them for each and every day of the week. Okay? So today was your lesson. Tomorrow do your dictation. And keep doing it throughout the week with Miss Elias. Okay? Have a great week. Bye, guys.